Hello and welcome back. Today, let's check out this incredible transformation in Marietta, Georgia. These dated contemporary homes can be found all over the Atlanta area, and for a long time they really lacked interest. But now, we're seeing these old homes being completely transformed into sleek, mid-century modern stunners like this one. As always, check out the description for links to a few of my favorite pieces found here. If I left out something you like, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to source it for you. Now, enjoy this amazing contemporary glow-up.